Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in web development with Webflow, beginner guide step by step. To begin your investment in web development with Webflow, first, create an account on the Webflow website. Visit the Webflow homepage and click on the Get Started button. Provide your email address and set a password to register. Once you're logged in, explore the Webflow dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. Next, take advantage of the Webflow University resources. Navigate to the University section to find tutorials and courses tailored for beginners. Set a clear goal for your web project. Decide whether you want to create a personal portfolio, a business website, or an online store. Once you have a goal in mind, start a new project by clicking on New Project. Choose from the pre-designed templates or start from a blank canvas. If you opt for a template, preview it to ensure it aligns with your vision. After selecting a template or starting fresh, you'll enter the Webflow Designer. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to design your site visually. Familiarize yourself with the layout options available in the designer. Learn about the elements you can add, such as text blocks, images, and buttons. Use the drag and drop functionality to place elements where you want them on the page. Customize each element's properties in the Settings panel. Adjust typography, colors, and sizes to match your brand aesthetic. Incorporate interactions and animations to enhance user experience. Take time to practice creating responsive designs for various screen sizes. Switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views to ensure your site looks great on all devices. Once you're satisfied with your design, publish your site to see it live. Click on the Publish button and choose your domain options. Webflow offers both free and paid hosting plans, depending on your needs. Explore the SEO settings to optimize your site for search engines. Add relevant keywords and meta descriptions to improve visibility. Regularly update your content to keep your website fresh and engaging. Join the Webflow community to connect with other designers and developers. Participate in forums and discussions to gain insights and tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.